Alright, so here it is, and I'm gonna surprise her with the gift of a banana. Okay, come on. Lila, I got your present.
What?
I got your present.
What?
Open it. It's for you.
It's a banana.
Pull it out.
Why? It's just a banana.
Just a banana.
It's a banana. See? It's a banana.
You don't like it?
It's just a banana.
What do you mean just a banana?
This is what I mean by a banana.
Yeah, but it's good for you and it's delicious.
No thanks.
You don't want it?
It's just a banana.
Lila!
It's just a banana.
Yep.
Hey, Mexican.